Mehrauli. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2023 rankers. Civil Engineering AIR1, XE AIR1, Chemical Engineering AIR1, Civil Engineering AIR2, Electrical Engineering AIR2, ECE AIR3, Computer Science and Information Technology AIR3 and 4, XE AIR4, Electrical Engineering AIR5, Chemical Engineering AIR4. Unacademy's extended support to crack GATE up to 4 months free, unlimited access to all the batches, all the classes, access to digital notes, doubt solving sessions by top educators, access 5600 plus practice questions. Unacademy is announcing all-star batch. Unacademy is announcing all-star batch for GATE and ESE 2024. Batch commences from May 26th. Unacademy is announcing all-star batch for GATE 2025. Batch commences from May 26th. Good evening, Ashish. Unacademy is announcing new batch, all-star batch, one batch for GATE ESE 2025. Batch commences from May 26th. Mechanical batch D. Use code KUR75 to get 10% off. Unacademy's offline center for GATE. Admissions are open. For more information, Ramnath House, Aurobindo Marg, New Delhi. Otherwise, you contact 8585858585. Today, I am going to discuss definite integrals. This is f of x is integral 0 to 4 tan power n x dx. Then f of 3 plus f of 1 integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx, that is f of n. Then we have to calculate f of 3 plus f of 4. Sorry, f of 3 plus f of 1. F of 3 is nothing but 0 to pi by 4 tan cube x dx plus 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Now, tan cube x can be written as tan x into tan square x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x into tan square x is nothing but secant square x minus 1 dx plus 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x into secant square x dx minus 0 to pi by 4 integral tan x dx plus 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx, integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx cancel. Minus integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x plus plus 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. If you cancel these two terms, you'll get integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x into secant square x dx. Here tan x is f of x, secant square x dx is f dash x. F of x into f dash x dx. Therefore, you can write tan x whole square by 2 from 0 to pi by 4. By applying the limits, tan pi by 4 is 1, 1 by 2 minus 0. Final answer is 1 by 2. The value of integral is 1 by 2. Understood? Good evening, Dhanvir Singh. Good evening, Abhishek. Next problem. We have to find out the value of integral 0 to n 1 minus x by n power n by n minus x dx. Integral 0 to n 1 minus x by n power n by n minus x dx. If you take n common, you will get 1 minus x by n dx. Now let us take x by n equal to t. 1 by n dx is dt when x is 0, t is 0. When x is n, t is 1. Therefore, integral 0 to n will become 0 to 1, 1 minus t power n by 1 minus t, 1 by n dx is dt. Integral 0 to 1, 1 minus t power n is 1 minus t into 1 plus t plus t square plus and so on t power n minus 1 by 1 minus t dt. 1 minus t you can cancel. Integral 1 dt t. Integral t dt t square by 2. Integral t square dt t cube by 3. Integral t power n minus 1 dt t power n by n from 0 to 1. Applying the limits, you will get 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on 1 by n. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on 1 by n. That is the value of integral. Understood? Next problem. Integral 1 to e root x into log x dx. integral 1 to e root x into log x dx. You have to apply integration by parts. U is log x, dv is root x dx, du is 1 by x dx, v is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Integral root x into ln x dx is equal to uv 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 log x from 1 to e minus integral 1 to e. V is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. That means 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 into 1 by x dx. That is nothing but 2 by 3 into e power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 to e x power 1 by 2 dx. Two by 3 into e power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 1 to e. That is 2 by 3 into e power 3 by 2 minus 4 by 9 of e power 3 by 2 minus 1. That is 2 by 3 minus 4 by 9 into e power 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 by 9 into e power 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9. 2 by 9 into e power 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9. Third option is correct. Continuation. Integral minus 1 to 1 x square sin x by x power 4 plus 1. Integral minus 1 to 1. Integral minus 1 to 1 x square sin x by x power 4 plus 1 dx. See, whenever limits are from minus a to plus a or minus L to plus L, first we have to check integrand is even function or odd function. This is odd function. Very simple. You can apply minus x in the place of x. Minus x whole square into sin of minus x by minus x whole power 4 plus 1. X square into sin of minus x is minus sin x by x power 4 plus 1. That is minus f of x. F of minus x is minus f of x. Therefore, the value of integral is 0. The value of integral is 0. Next, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x power 10 log 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. X power 10 log of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x dx. Whenever limits are from minus to plus, we have to check even or odd. In this case, f of minus x is minus x whole power 10, 1 plus sin of minus x by 1 minus sin of minus x, x power 10 log sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, 1 minus of sin of minus x is 1 plus sin x. This can be written as x power 10 into 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x whole inverse, that is minus x power 10 log 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. It is nothing but minus f of x. F of minus x is in the form of minus f of x. Therefore, it is odd function. When integrand is odd function, the value of integral will be 0. Understood? So, since it is odd function, therefore the value of integral is 0. This is integral 0 to pi by 2 log tan x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log tan x dx. The integral I is integral 0 to pi by 2 log tan x dx. That is the given integral. So the given integral is called equation 1. We have one property, integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. By applying this formula, you can write the integral I is 0 to pi by 2 log tan pi by 2 minus x dx, that is 0 to pi by 2 log tan 90 minus x is cot x dx. Tan 90 minus x is cot x, that is called 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2, I plus I, 0 to pi by 2 log tan x plus log cot x, log m plus log n, log mn, 2I is 0 to pi by 2 log 1 dx, because tan x into cot x is 1. Therefore, log 1 dx, 2I equal to 0. The value of integral is 0. Finally, the value of integral is 0. Next problem. This is 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Same formula. I is zero to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. This can be written as 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, that is integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, that is integral 0 to pi by 4 log LCM 1 plus tan x. If you take LCM 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x 2 dx, that is 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx, that is nothing but I. The given integral I equal to pi by 4 log 2 minus I plus I is pi by 4 log 2, 2I is pi by 4 log 2. The value of integral is pi by 8 log 2. The value of integral is pi by 8 log 2. The value of integral is pi by 8 log 2. Next one, 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x into cos power 3x dx. You have to apply Wallis rule. Whenever limits are 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx, whenever limits are 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx and cos power nx dx, denominator starts with m plus n. 5 plus 3 8, deduct 2 to 2, 8 6 4 2, don't deduct further. Now when power is 5, numerator starts with 4, 4 into 2. When power is 3, numerator starts with 2. Both the powers are not even, therefore 1. If both the powers are even, then you have to multiply with pi by 2. Otherwise, you have to multiply with 1. Here both the powers are not even, therefore I have multiplied with 1. Now 4 2 and 4 2 under cancellation. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6. That is 1 by 24. Therefore, the value of integral is 1 by 24. Next problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2 a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. You have to apply the formula integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. First you have to call the given integral is I. I equal to 0 to pi by 2 a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Called it equation 1. If you apply 0 to a f of x dx formula here, cos square of pi by 2 minus x plus b square into sin square of pi by 2 minus x dx. That is integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 90 minus x is sin x, cos square 90 minus x is sin square x, sin square 90 minus x is cos square x dx. Called it equation 2. Now by adding 1 and 2, we get I plus I 0 to pi by 2 a square cos square x plus a square sin square x, a square b square sin square x plus b square cos square x, b square dx. 2i is pi by 2 of a square plus b square. The value of integral is pi by 4 of a square plus b square. The value of integral is pi by 4 of a square plus b square. Next one. The problem is integral 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Observe here, if you look at the integrand, f of pi minus x is f of x. F of x satisfies f of pi minus x equal to f of x. Therefore, you can write 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Now divide both the numerator and denominator with cos square x. You'll get 2 times of 0 to pi by 2. 1 by cos square x is secant square x. A square cos square x by cos square x is a square. Sin square x by cos square x is tan square x dx. If you take b square common, you'll get 2 by b square 0 to pi by 2 secant square x by a square by b square plus tan square x dx. Let us take tan x is t. If tan x is t, secant square x dx is dt. When x is 0, t is 0. When x is pi by 2, t is infinite. Therefore, 2 by b square into 0 to infinite, secant square x dx is dt. A square by b square plus t square. A 1 by a by b into tan inverse t by a by b. From 0 to infinite. Two by b square into b by a. Tan inverse infinite minus tan inverse 0. 2 by ab of pi by 2 minus 0. That is pi by ab. Finally, the value of integral is pi by ab. Good evening, Yoda. Finally, the value of integral is pi by ab. Good evening, Nirakar. Yesterday you have not attended. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Excellent problem. Observe. The integral I is integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Called it equation 1. Now you have to apply the formula integral 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Because integral 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 f of pi by 2 minus x. That's why you can write log sin 90 minus x cos x dx, called it 2, equation 1 plus equation 2, I plus I, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx plus log sin x plus log cos x dx, log m plus log n, log mn, log sin x into cos x dx, 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x by 2 dx, 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. To evaluate this, let us take 2x equal to t, 2 dx equal to dt, dx equal to dt by 2. When x is 0, t is 0. When x is pi by 2, when x is pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2, that is pi. 2i is integral 0 to pi log sin t dx is dt by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. Now here if you look at the integrand, f of pi minus t is f of t. Therefore, you can apply folding rule. Integral 0 to pi can be written as 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log sin t into dt by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2, that is equal to 2i. Now you can cancel this 2 and this 2. Okay na? Therefore 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin t dt is I minus pi by 2 log 2. 2i minus I is minus pi by 2 log 2. Therefore, the value of integral is minus pi by 2 log 2. So, final answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. Understood? Observe. Integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to pi x into sin power 6x cos power 4x dx. We have one formula. Problem is designed on that formula. Observe. Integral 0 to a x into f of x dx equal to a into 0 to a by 2 f of x dx if f of a minus x is f of x. Okay na? That's why I am applying that formula. Integral 0 to pi x into sin power 6x cos power 4x dx. Suppose if x is not there, then we have direct formula. Because of that x, you have to apply the above formula. Here, this is our function x into f of x form. F of pi minus x is f of x. Therefore, this can be written as pi into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x cos power 4x dx pi into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x cos power 4x dx. Continuation. Now you have to apply Wallis rule. Here you can apply Wallis rule. Pi into denominator starts with m plus n, 6 plus 4, 10. 8 6 4 2 10 8 6 4 2. Now when power is 6, numerator starts with 5 5 3 1. Here power is 4, numerator starts with 3 into 1. Both the powers are even, therefore pi by 2 will come. Now 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6. The result is 3 pi square by 2 into 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 4 into 2, 2 power 5, 2 power 5 into 2 square, 2 power 7, 2 power 9, 512. 3 pi square by 512 is the correct answer. Next problem. Same model. Integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Here x into f of x form. This is f of x. F of pi minus x is equal to f of x. Since f of pi minus x is f of x, therefore the value of integral is pi into 0 to pi by 2 sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx, sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now let us take cos x equal to t. Minus sin x dx is dt. Sin x dx is minus dt when x is 0, t is 0. When x is pi by 2, when x is 0, t is 1, because cos 0 is 1. When x is pi by 2, t is 0. Now 0 to pi by 2 will become 1 to 0. Sin x dx is nothing but minus dt by 1 plus cos square x. Cos square x is t square, 1 plus t square. Now pi into integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt is tan inverse t from 0 to 1. Therefore pi into tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Pi into pi by 4 is pi square by 4. Finally, the value of integral is pi square by 4. The value of integral is pi square by 4. Next problem. integral minus infinite to infinite e power minus x square by 2 dx. Whenever limits are from minus L to plus L or minus A to plus A form, first we have to check whether integrand is even or odd. Here integrand is an even function. Integrand is an even function. 2 times of 0 to infinite e power minus x square by 2 dx. Let us take x square by 2 is t. X dx is dt. Dx is dt by x. dt by root 2 into root t. Dx is dt by x. dt by root 2 into root t. When x is 0, t is 0. When x is infinite, t is infinite. 2 into 0 to infinite e power minus x square by 2 is e power minus t. Dx is dt by root 2 into root t. Root 2 into 0 to infinite e power minus t. T power minus 1 by 2 dt. 0 to infinite e power minus t. T power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 dt. That is root 2 into gamma 1 by 2. Gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. Final answer is root 2 pi. Final answer is root 2 pi. Next problem. Integral 0 to infinite. Integral 0 to infinite e power minus y cube. E power minus y cube into y power 1 by 2 dy. Let us take y cube equal to t, y equal to t power 1 by 3, dy equal to 1 by 3 into t power 1 by 3 minus 1 dt. Y is 0, then t is 0. When y is infinite, t is infinite. Integral 0 to infinite e power minus t. Y power 1 by 2 is t power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. t power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 dy equal to 1 by 3 into t power minus 2 by 3 dt. One by 3 into 0 to infinite e power minus t into 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3 dt. 1 by 3 into 0 to infinite e power minus t power minus 3 by 6 dt. That is 1 by 3 0 to infinite e power minus t power minus 1 by 2 dt. Integral 0 to infinite e power minus t power 1 by 2 minus 1 dt. This is nothing but gamma 1 by 2. Gamma 1 by 2. Gamma 1 by 2 value is root pi. Therefore, the value of integral is root pi by 3. Understood? The value of integral is root pi by 3. Next problem. Integral 0 to 1 x power 6 into square root of 1 minus x square dx. Integral 0 to 1 x power 6 into square root of 1 minus x square dx. Whenever square root of 1 minus x square, put x equal to sin theta. Dx equal to cos theta d theta. Now, when x is 0, theta is 0. When x is pi by 2, theta is 1. Here x value 1. That's why when x is 1, theta is pi by 2. When x is 0, theta is 0. Now we have to write this integral in the form of 0 to pi by 2. X power 6 is nothing but sin power 6 theta. Square root of 1 minus sin square theta is square root of cos square theta. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta d theta, that is cos square theta d theta. Now you can apply Wallis rule. Denominator starts with 8, 6, 4, 2, power 6. Therefore numerator starts with 5, 3, 1. Here power is 2, therefore 1. Both the powers are even, therefore pi by 2 will come. Simplify this. 3 2 ja 6. That's why 5 pi by 2 cube into 2 power 4. 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. 16 into 16. 256. So final answer is 5 pi by 256. So the answer is 5 pi by 256. Unacademy extended support for GATE up to 4 months free. Join all-star batches for GATE ESE PSUs 2024 and 25. Batches commences from 26th May. Use code KUR75 for maximum discount. Unacademy scholarship test for GATE. 20 questions, 45 minutes. Syllabus is general aptitude and engineering mathematics. You can attend either through Unacademy learning app or Unacademy website. Rank 1 100% scholarship, rank 2 to 5 75%, rank 6 to 20 50%, rank 21 to 100 25%. Thank you.